MSA Magnetics, and today I'd like to talk to you about Magswitch's range of no-touch tools. So these are hand lifters used in Australia for load guiding materials handling. The aim is obviously to prevent hand injuries, which are the second most expensive injury in Australian workplaces. I believe the average cost is about $17,000 each. So over the last 6 years, there's been a lot of attention in workplaces on these tools. So I want to go over each one a little bit and help you understand where its strengths are, and hopefully they will assist you in making a decision on which one's right for you. We'll start off with the most popular ones, the fixed hand lifter and the hand lifter 60M. So often people are making a decision between these two. This one's available with 106 kilos of force and 177. The 60M, only the 106 kilos of force magnet in it. It's still a lot of force, and it gets a particularly thin gauges of material. So the fixed hand lift is very good in terms of I've got good wrist control if I'm lifting something up. So if I don't completely center on this plate, I'm still good. I've got good control over it. Whereas the 60M, if I don't completely center it, you can see it's going to swing up. However, if I'm load guiding and I'm pulling a load that's suspended on a crane or a hire, if I'm pulling that around, this performs much better than even the most powerful fixed hand lifter, because the fixed hand lifter, if I apply that cracking force, it can come away easier than this one because the pivot point is very close to the base of the magnet. That also makes it extremely strong as a sheet dragging tool. So this will sheet drag or plate drag or pull universal beams or SHS out of a rack much better than this will. In terms of the electric version, this one has 106 kilos of force. It's the same magnet that's in the 60M, so the manual version and the electric version. The electric version is taller, so it's not going to be very good at load guiding, but it is going to be very, very fast at picking a cutting table or moving sheet metal along, because this button to turn it on and button to turn it off, very, very fast. You get 2 lithium batteries, a charger and a holster. Each magnet, or each battery is good for 2,000 actuations, which is 1,000 lifts, and 1 actuation on, 1 actuation off. Great tool. Then we've got dual hand lifters. So if I was to be handling something that's dimensionally long and I want to lift it straight up and I don't want to be so concerned about perfectly centering it, I've got a lot of control with the dual hand lifters. Then we've got a new tool from Magswitch, which is the Magswitch 400. So this has got about 180 kilos of force. This handle extends right out. You can pull something from a long distance, and you can actuate it from well away from the load and push and pull it towards you. Or if it's, say, a plasma table, lift it straight up. So that's, pretty strong at 180 kilos of force, and it's in response to people wanting to be further away from the load or further away from the material they're handling. I've also seen people walking along, picking a table that they're standing on. So if you have any questions on these no-touch tools, or you want to know where you can buy one, contact us at MSA today. Thank you for watching.